Talk. Aye. I need a free, cause I'm a motherfucking beast. Beast. Aye. Yeah, I'm a motherfucking beast, nigga. I'm in the street. Why? Cause I'm a motherfucking beast. I'm a motherfucking beast, nigga. Party, all the niggas. No gold card, I use a Trojan nigga. Drinking red ravioli niggas. Bought the inner social, they were closing niggas. Head and pussy feed my motion niggas. I found up on it, I done stroll through niggas. Green slime ball, bases loaded niggas. I think they jumped on my pocket cause they swollen niggas. Drop head, it's a drop head. Hated boy, I didn't shot dead. You ain't no gangster nigga, stop dead. I fought that bitch before she gave me head. Telling me you gon' win. That's some shit I don't know about. I don't know it. Fuck the in a deep end. That's some shit you gon' know about. Big B, Willie B. Still smoking gas, eyes low as a Chinese. Still wearing flags, bitch, I'm bleed till on the seats. I ain't talking guns, but I smoke the head of Khalif. Call Thought Nisha, she got the head of the week. This so bitty and mama sees to no easy. Nigga tatted her with nothing, she ain't sleeveless. She want every drop that come out her penis. I need a free, cause I'm a motherfucking beast. Beast. Yeah, I'm a motherfucking beast, nigga. I'm a beast. I'm in the street. Why? Cause I'm a motherfucking beast. I'm a motherfucking beast, nigga. Just to pull up, I'm up, yes sir. I know, he know, she know, we know. Take that Debo, leave a fuck boy, leak it by a kilo. I will pull up, SLI, me my stido. He see me kicking shit, now he wanna see me that moto. Plus he know a nigga got strikes like Ocho Cinco. Yeah, he know a young nigga lying hard ain't no bingo. The world can think I'm driven, but I swear to God he know. What your mom tell you about playing with that fire? Didn't God tell you if you living, you gon' die? Yeah. When you shot him up, you know that pressure was applied. My nephew saw his daddy get sent out to the sky. If he knew any better, he would've said don't break rules. If I didn't know better, I would've stayed in a school. If that bitch didn't know better, I would've played in a two. If I didn't know better, I would've crossed our God and went voodoo. I need a free, cause I'm a motherfucking beast. Beast. Yeah, I'm a motherfucking beast, nigga. I'm in the street. Why? Cause I'm a motherfucking beast. I'm a motherfucking beast, nigga.
I'm not free, cause I'm a motherfucking beast.
Beast. What you be?
I'm a motherfucking beast, nigga.
What you be?
I'm in the street. Why? Cause I'm a motherfucking beast.